All right, so we gotta add that splash to the shrimp. You heard? Send in that. So they playing with. Let's see if it's dry or not. Voila. Look, I was just playing with y'all. Voila. We sliding. All right, y'all. What's this? Your boy Chef Quail. So we gonna do this. We gonna do this party mic'd up, y'all. We right here with the fam. We gonna get in mic'd up. So y'all stay tuned. What's the deal, vlog? It's your boy Chef Quail, and we back for another one. Nothing like the other one. All right. So Christmas tree gone. Christmas tree gone. Finna get it going, y'all. I'm gonna tap in with y'all in the streets. It's your boy Chef Quail. Y'all make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, and comment on the video, bruh. And then we're gonna do a garlic butter giveaway. Cause the people say they want the garlic butter. Get y'all right. Alright. I got y'all. Let me get y'all right, don't trip, so. Yeah.
Now it's saying 7:10.
Okay. Alright, y'all. It's another day in paradise. What beautiful boo. We outside, bruh. Harley homebud always rapping.
What? Towards Santa Monica.
Chat, this type of house I'm trying to have, bruh.
Chat. A bigger backyard, though.
Bigger backyard for sure. All right, y'all, so we outside. Pulled up on some fam. And they get it going with the fam. Wham, bam. So family support is very important, bruh. Family support take it a long way. It takes a village. You understand that? It takes a village. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all like the video, share the video, and subscribe up. It's your boy Chef Quail. Outside like usual. It's the Dev Vlog. We outside. We finna get it going, y'all. Hibachi Quail in the flesh. So let me know if I'm like that or not, right?
Hey, wait till they get older. Oh my God.
Okay.
I don't hit that and fall through. You're gonna fall through. So bad, bro. I'll be treated different. Ain't you a beast?
See how we right. I don't really like that. I really like that with the ones and twos, chat. We're gonna do this party mic'd up, y'all. We right here with the fam. We're gonna get in mic'd up. So y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody, let's give it up for the birthday guy, y'all, all right? Yeah. All right, y'all, my name is Chef Quail, y'all. I've been doing hibachi since 10:30 this morning. Good luck, all right? Doing hibachi for a few years now, probably like 5 to 6 years, y'all. Worked at Benihana for 5 years. I was like that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I won Chef of the Year. And I was using that Lawry's, y'all. All right, straight up. Straight up. You gotta get y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. All these tricks off TikTok too. That's a new one, y'all. All right. Them Chick-fil-A even on Sunday, y'all, all right? That joke worked better on Sunday. Exactly. What I tell you. All right, y'all know what this is right here, right? Scrambled eggs. What are you talking about, y'all? Ain't no worry about nothing. Y'all used to work at Denny's too, y'all. So y'all good? Y'all good? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right, y'all. If that's a heart, y'all. If this is a heart right here, what's this? Heartburn, y'all. Come on now. Come on. Heart burning love, y'all. All right. We sliding. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Kickflip, chat. Kickflip. OMG. OMG. Now, this is a unique trick, y'all, all right? So we got to use our imagination. Why we got to use our imagination with everything I'm talking about, right? But this time, this is the last time we're going to have to use our imagination, all right? This trick is called the lemon drop, all right? Voila. Read them in wheat, boys. Right here. Uh-oh, there we go. Okay, and then I was going to add this right here, okay? This right here called the lemon fork. That's crazy. All right, that is my last time, y'all. So I did a part last week. When I ain't catch it at all, y'all. All right, so we up already. Huh? Nah, they was say. Look, I was just playing with y'all. Voila. Voila. Y'all choose the chicken. I'm gonna flip it over. This one. OMG, chat. OMG. Sending that. So they playing with chat. Let's see if it's dry or not. Voila. Look at that. Oh, tenderism. Tenderism. And that. I'm gonna do another. Bruh, I might have to sit down and get me a plate. I ain't gonna lie. Chat, boy. Boy, listen. With some garlic butter on that thing. He did with that garlic butter, right? Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of black pepper. Right? A little of that splash. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of that splash. Chat. They could never, chat.
Eat shrimp. Hey, look at the shrimp.
Gotta get the birthday boy, right? Everybody pretty much okay with shrimp, though? I know. All right, so we gotta add that splash to the shrimp, you heard? Oh, man, we gotta get him right. Get that garlic butter on the shrimp. Look at that.
I was kind of backlit.
That's not enough lobster for us, everybody.
Oh, gee. Chat. Hold on, we still live? Can y'all hear me? We are live. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell you, boy, I don't fuck around.